Guys, in this lecture, you will learn about the three-way handshake. The three-way handshake is a process used in computer networking to establish a reliable connection between two devices, typically within the context of transmission control protocol. So, as mentioned in the previous lecture, the three-way handshake is employed in TCP, right? It ensures that both devices agree to establish a connection before data is exchanged. So, in a similar manner, if two individuals want to communicate, both parties need to agree before they can engage in a conversation, right? So guys, here we have client and the server. So the client is sending a SYN packet to the server. Now what is a client? Client is your browser and the server where all the data is stored. Okay, so here you can see the client is sending a SYN packet. That's a synchronization packet to the server. Now what's the meaning of the SYN packet? It's like, yeah, I want to talk to you. Okay, so the client is sending a message to the server that I want to talk to you. And the server will respond with SYN and ACK. Okay, server will respond, so I got your message, let's talk. And then again the client will send third packet, that is acknowledgement packet. I got it, let's start talking. So here acknowledgement meaning that I received your message. Once this three-way handshake is complete, the devices can reliably communicate with each other. If at any point during the handshake there is an issue, the connection is not established and the process may be retried. Okay. So let's see how it works using Wireshark. Okay, so start the Wireshark. So if you don't know what is Wireshark, Wireshark is a network protocol and you can use it to observe the communication between a client and the server. Okay, so I'm opening it. After opening the Wireshark, choose the interface. I'm choosing this ETHO, and here it's gonna start capturing the packets. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I will visit a site. Let me visit www.google.com. So I just type the domain name, and now you can see it has retrieved the google.com. Right now, let's check what Wireshark has captured. I'm stopping the Wireshark here. So guys can see here, you can see the TCP protocol that is being used in this. Okay, first it is sending a SYN packet. Let's find that SYN packet. So here you can apply the filter. Just type here TCP. That's gonna show you all the all the packets that are related to TCP. So here you guys can see this is a source and this is the destination. Source is your browser. So this is your browser IP address and the destination here is google.com. Okay, so the client is sending a SYN packet to the google.com and the google.com is sending, and the server is sending SYN and ACK, SYN plus ACK, and then again the client is sending a acknowledgement packet to the server. Okay, and then the connection is established. Now they can talk to each other. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, and you can capture the packets using Wireshark. So that's all for this video. Hope you have learned something.